this is, let's see, as a recap for the core PyTorch operations. And for the tensor creation, you can use any of these, let's see, methods based on your stuff, based on your needs. And here shaping and reshape and reshape. For example, few reshape transpose. So for example, swapping the dimensions, and permutation reorder the dimensions. Squeezing is removing the dimension of ones. Sometimes you have, let's see, a tensor, let's see, one, let's see, for instance, just for instance, let me just do it here. The size, the shape of the tensor shape is like 153, and this here squeeze is removing the dimension of one. If you apply in this dimension here, the result will be 5, 5, and 3. Only this one here. And for the unsqueeze, you add one dimension, let's see, one to this. For instance, if it's like this, and you see add unsqueeze 0, for instance, add 1 in the index 0, it will be like this here, the size, the shape. So sometimes you need to make it like this, for example, for other some operations on the image processing, on the deep learning. We will see this in more advanced topics. And this is the indexing and slicing. For instance, getting the single element, getting the slicing, and here, for instance, conditions if, only if x is equal, is greater than 5, give you the values of this. And here's the indexing, fancy indexing. And for the math operations, let's say you have this a and b tensors. You can add easy, like just a plus b, a minus b, and this one here. For the matrix multiplication, you can use matrix multiplication. And also for the summation, you can use to sum up all of these elements in A. Maybe you can also find the mean, max, square, and exponential. And this is, let's see, as a numpy, let's see, operations. And for the device management, we have already seen how, for instance, you need to check if the CUDA is available, and now you will move it, for instance, to the device. If you have a GPU, you can move it to the device. Otherwise, the device will be default a CPU by default. And yeah, that's it. I think it's this is the most, let's see, important operations that you will be using, and even in the more advanced, let's see, topics.